We know that MBBS is one of the most finest and popular degree options if you're planning to study in medical field. So in today's video, we're going to talk about why you should pursue MBBS in abroad. So let's get into it. So this is the most asked question by the students, that they should pursue MBBS in abroad or not. Is it a wise choice or not? So we're gonna clear all of that in this video. So let's begin with the situation of MBBS in India. तो इंडिया में MBBS परस्यू करने के लिए आपको नीट एग्जाम क्रैक करना होता है, स्पेशली फॉर द पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज़. एंड ये पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का क्राइटेरिया होता है बहुत ज़्यादा. लाइक यू हैव टू स्कोर लाइक 600 एंड अबव, विच इज़ क्वाइट अ लॉट टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट प्राइवेट universities are way too expensive for a middle class student to afford. They can go like to 70 lakh to 90 lakh, and like yearly it can be 13 lakh. So it's very expensive for a middle class student to afford. So that's why most of the students prefer to get into public universities rather than private universities. So if we talk about going to any average college in India for MBBS, so I think that's not even a choice, because there is very low infrastructure, unskilled faculty, and also placements are not at all good. So now let's talk about MBBS in abroad. तो अब्रॉड में भी नीट एग्ज़ाम तो लगता है, यू हैव टू क्रैक नीट एग्ज़ाम, बट कट ऑफ इज़ वेरी लो कंपेयर टू इंडिया. इंडिया में जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था बहुत ज़्यादा कट ऑफ होता है, लाइक 600 फॉर पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज़. बट यहाँ पे पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए भी इट्स वेरी लो, इट्स लाइक 150, एंड वो फ्लक्चुएट होता रहता है, लाइक 125 135 ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है. बट इट्स वेरी बेसिक एंड एवरेज दैट एनी वन कैन स्कोर इफ दैट पर्सन इज अपेयरिंग फॉर नीट एग्जाम. नाउ इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द फीस स्ट्रक्चर, जहाँ आपको प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में इंडिया के लिए 70 to 90 लाख देने पड़ रहे थे, यहाँ पर 30 to 40 लाख में यू कैन स्टडी थरली एंड फ्रॉम अ वेरी गुड यूनिवर्सिटी. एंड ऑल्सो अब्रॉड की यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा होता है, फैकल्टी इज़ वेरी स्किल्ड एंड प्लेसमेंट्स आर वेरी नाइस, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज मेजर कंपनीज आती है अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. If you ask me that which country is best to study MBBS abroad, I personally think Russia is the best country to study MBBS. And why is that? I will make another separate video, a detailed video for that you can check it out. It will be all about MBBS in Russia and why it is a best fit for you if you're planning to study MBBS in abroad. Let's talk about some of the major countries which are safe for females to study MBBS in abroad. So how do you measure that a country is safe or not? You measure it by the crime rate. जितना ज़्यादा crime rate होगा उतनी ज़्यादा unsafe country होगी, जितना कम crime rate होगा उतनी ज़्यादा safe country होगी. So let's talk about first what the most safe country to pursue MBBS abroad. So the safest country is Russia, and besides Russia it is Romania, Belarus, Georgia and Poland too. So if we talk about some of the most unsafe country to study MBBS in abroad, they are Bangladesh, Nepal and Malaysia. So I won't personally prefer to any female to study in these countries. Also, before selecting any country or university, you have to keep in mind some of the major things regarding the environment which is compatible for you or not. You should keep in mind that the tuition fees of that university is affordable for you or not. Also, the living cost of that particular place must be low or budget friendly. Crime rates must be low. Choosing a public universities is the best option, and number of Indian students must be high for a great and friendly environment, and also the availability of Indian food. Finally, if you ask me that you should study MBBS in abroad or not, so it is a major yes, because you won't be able to find this best quality education at a very affordable price in India, not at all. So you should go to abroad to study MBBS. So guys, that was all for why you should study MBBS in abroad in this video. For any other query, you can comment us down below, and also you can call us on this number below for a free counseling session. And don't forget to follow our Instagram channel. You can see the username somewhere here. So yeah, thank you for watching.